morning all. Today we are going to discuss about Hershey and Chase experiment. Hershey and Chase experiment. This experiment also called Hershey and Chase experiment. This experiment also called blending experiment. Blending experiment. Blending experiment are also called transduction experiment. Transduction experiment. Three names of transduction experiment. So according to this experiment, what said? Hershey and Chase scientists proved that DNA is a genetic material. So according to this experiment, Hershey and Chase scientists proved that DNA is a genetic material. DNA is a genetic material. So, question even theory 5-mark question very important. Who proved that DNA is a genetic material? Can you briefly explain about that experiment? Hershey and Chase proved that DNA is a genetic material. So before going to the experiment, about this one, some information. So Hershey and Chase proved that DNA is a genetic material. He carried the research work in bacteriophages. That is also important. Bacteriophage in 1952. Year also important. 1952. And one more organism taken, Escherichia coli. Sometimes name the organisms which are carried the research work by Hershey and Chase means bacteriophage and Escherichia coli in which year? 1952. Just recall that years and organism. Frederick Griffith conducted experiments in transforming principle in 1928 in a Streptococcus pneumonia. Transforming principle. Biochemical nature of transforming principle conducted by Avery, McCarthy, MacLeod in 1933 to 1944 in the organism Streptococcus pneumonia. But here Hershey and Chase proved that DNA is a genetic material. In which organism they carried research work? Bacteriophage and Escherichia coli in 1952. Sir, what is the meaning of bacteriophage, sir? Bacteriophage means So the bacteriophage means the bacteria which infect the virus which infect the bacteria is called bacteriophage. Virus which infect the bacteria is called bacteriophage. So phage means virus. PHAGE, phage particle means virus. By phytophage, the virus which infect the plant. Phytophage. Zoophage, the virus which infect the animal. Zoophage. Mycophage, the virus which infect the fungal organism, that is mycophage. The virus which infect the bacteria is called bacteriophage. So some story about the bacteriophage I am going to give, just you listen here. Bacteriophage, the virus which infect the bacteria. This is nothing but bacteria. Escherichia coli. This is nothing but bacteriophage. So the bacteriophage having genetic material DNA. This is the bacterial genetic material. This is nothing but DNA, virus genetic material. This is also DNA. This is nothing but phage, bacteriophage. This is a bacteria, Escherichia coli bacteria. So the virus which infect the bacteria is called a bacteriophage. So then, actually what happened in bacteriophage? The virus when infect the bacteria, first they attach the bacteria on the cell wall of bacteria. So first the virus attach the bacterial cell wall. After attachment, then slowly in next step the virus insert the genetic material into bacteria. So the phage or bacteriophage or the virus insert the genetic material into bacteria. So this is viral genetic material, this is a bacterial genetic material. Later in next case, the viral genetic material incorporated into bacterial genetic material. The viral genetic material incorporated into bacterial genetic material, this position is called prophase. This position is called prophase. Later, the viral particles or viral DNA using the host DNA, and then they can synthesize the viral particles. Then bacteria also sometimes it fails its own DNA. Bacteria it fails its own DNA. They are going to synthesize daughter colonies of bacteria. Daughter colonies bacteria is having also viral genetic material. I am going to revise. See, this is the first life history. We had been seen in first year also. Bacteriophase infect the bacteria. Virus infect the bacteria is called bacteriophase. This is the bacteriophase or viral genetic material. This is the bacterial genetic material. This is bacteria. So after attach the bacterial phase on the bacteria on the cell walls. Then later a bacteriophage inserts the genetic material into bacteria. Then bacterial genetic material incorporated into bacteria. That condition is called a prophase. Then bacteria it fails up. Then the genetic material is a own genetic material, and it produces daughter colonies of bacteria. Daughter colonies bacteria is having also genetic material, viral genetic material is present. Based on that concept, we are going to explain this Hershey and Chase experiment. Keep it done. Now see these bacteriophages, Hershey and Chase scientist. Now experiment. Now come to the experiment. Hershey and Chase scientist. These two scientists, Hershey and Chase, taken the bacteriophages and grew in two culture plates. Hershey and Chase grew Escherichia coli, grew bacteriophages. They grew bacteriophages in culture plates. Hershey and Chase grew the bacteriophages in a culture medium or culture plate. So some viruses grown in culture plate which having S35. Some virus, this is the virus particles. When some virus grown in S35 radioactive isotopes, where virus particles grown in culture plate of which having sulfur 35 radioactive isotope, then the virus particles protein coat become radioactive. Protein coat is radioactive. Virus protein coat is radioactive, but virus DNA is not radioactive. Kaiku virus DNA not radioactive? Because viral DNA not radioactive, only protein. You know protein, virus having two important section. Outside is a protein coat, then inside coat that is genetic material. So here the virus phase particles grew in sulfur 35 radioactive isotope medium. Then virus particles protein coat become radioactive, but virus DNA is not radioactive. Kaiku sulfur 35 present in some amino acids. Amino acids are involved in form the protein. So that's why protein coat become radioactive, but DNA is not radioactive. Kaiku in DNA sulfur is not present. Sulfur amino acids are not present, but protein having sulfur amino acids. So that's why virus protein coat is become radioactive when they are grown in sulfur 35 radioactive isotope medium. Next, some other viruses grown in medium containing phosphorus 32. When viral particles grown in phosphorus 32 medium, that virus DNA is a radioactive. DNA is a radioactive, but protein is protein is not radioactive. Protein is not radioactive. Kaiko protein is not radioactive. A DNA generally made with a long polymer of nucleotide. I told you. Nucleotide means a phosphate to sugar or nitrogen bases. Phosphate there. So this phosphorus 32 radioactive. So that's why it is slowly incorporated into DNA. So that's why phos DNA is a radioactive. Kaiko DNA having phosphate or phosphorus group is present, but it not having in protein. So that's why protein is not radioactive. So in two cases, Amma here taken Hershey and Chase, then grew the bacteriophage in culture plate. Some viruses grown in sulfur 35 culturing plate, sulfur 35 radioactive isotope. So then after growing of this one, virus particles protein coat is radioactive, but DNA is not radioactive. Kaiku DNA is not made with the sulfur, but protein made with the sulfur. Then some other viruses when grown in culture plate which having phosphorus 32, the DNA viral DNA become radioactive. Kaiku DNA having phosphorus, but not protein. Protein is not radioactive. Kaiku protein not having the phosphorus. This is a very important cases. So sometimes question how they are asking in NEET or CET, mention the two radioactive isotopes used in Hershey and Chase experiment. That is nothing but S35 and phosphorus 32. S35 labeled with which one? S35 labeled with the protein code. Phosphorus 32 labeled with which one? Phosphorus 32 labeled with the DNA. Phosphorus labeled with the DNA. This is the main concept. And Hershey and Chase choose the what type of organism for his experiment. One is bacteriophage and another one is Escherichia coli. Now, then this experiment is also called blending experiment. This experiment also called transduction experiment. I told you what is transduction. Transduction means transfer the genetic material from bacteria to bacteriophage to bacteria. Transfer the genetic material from bacteriophage to bacteria is called a transduction. So that's why they chance to ask transduction. Or transduction experiments carried by which of the following scientists? Hershey and Chase. Who proved that DNA is a genetic material? Hershey and Chase. But early time biochemical nature of transforming principle given by Avery, McCarthy. That is different. Biochemical nature of transforming principle is DNA. But they were not confirmed DNA is a genetic material. DNA is a genetic material confirmed by Hershey and Chase. Even theory also, if the question may chance to ask, can you briefly describe about the experiment? DNA is a genetic material confirmation given by which of the following scientists? That experiment. You have to write these experiments. Okay. Now go with the experiments. Then here diagrams also there, Amma, carefully in experiment. Diagrams there. Diagrams in two cases. Textbook, you follow the textbook for diagrams, but I was given for understanding now. This is the first one, bacteria. Now bacteriophage. This is the bacteriophage. Next second case, the first case. Next second case. This is nothing but bacteria. This is the bacteriophage. They allow the bacteriophage which are radioactive. They allow the bacteriophages which having radioactive to attach the bacteria. So here in the experiment there is a three important steps are there. One is nothing but infection. Infection means Hershey and Chase allow the radioactive phases to attach the bacteria. So here sulfur 35 protein code. For understanding, I make this one. You have to draw textbook diagram for this one. Sulfur 35 protein code labeled. Here DNA is a radioactive. Phosphorus 32 DNA. This is also DNA. But here DNA is not radioactive. But here DNA only radioactive. This is nothing but bacterial genetic material. This is also bacterial genetic material. Now this is a bacteria. Okay. This is a viral genetic material. This is viral genetic material. But here virus protein coat is a radioactive. Kaiku S35 already told. Then phosphorus 32 radioactive here. DNA is a radioactive. But protein coat is a not radioactive. So they allow Hershey and Chase allow these two radioactive position is called a infection. Infection. First, here three steps are there. One is nothing but infection. One is an infection. Second one blending. That's why it is a blending experiment. Third one centrifugation. Centrifugation. Mention the steps which are involved in Hershey and Chase experiment. Mention the steps which are involved in transduction experiment. Infection, blending, centrifugation. Three steps. In first step infection, then Hershey and Chase allow the bacteriophage, radioactive isotopes of the bacteriophage to attach the bacterial cell is called an infection. In infection stage only, simple. Then viral genetic material enters bacteria. Viral genetic material enters into, I'll give it a viral genetic material enters into bacterial genetic material. Viral genetic material enters into bacteria. This is the infection stage only. Then outside protein coat is present. This is outside protein coat. That protein coat is called ghost. So in infection stage only, the phage particle attached to the bacteria, and then after attachment, viral genetic material phase is inserted into bacteria. This is also in a infection stage only. So here also genetic material inserted. Then outside protein capsids are present. That's called a ghost. Then a viral genetic material inserted into bacterial genetic material. Viral genetic material inserted into bacterial genetic material. Then outside protein coats are present. Outside protein coats. Here also outside protein coat is present. Outside protein coats. Protein coats are separate. So viral genetic material inserted into bacterial genetic material. Here also viral genetic material inserted into bacterial genetic material. Then this phase is called a prophase. Viral genetic material inserted into bacterial genetic material, that is called a prophase. I told you already. Then in second step, viral particles are separated from the bacterial surface. Viral protein coats are separated from bacterial surface. This process step is called blending. By blending, virus protein capsids are separated from bacterial cells. So viral protein capsids are separated, then bacterial is also separated. Next, third step is there, that is nothing but centrifugation. Third step is centrifugation. In centrifugation, so when allow them this one, they are going to that they are producing daughter colonies. Here also daughter colonies produced. Here also daughter colonies are produced. Then in third step, centrifugation. So for understanding, I give you here centrifugation. This is also centrifugation. So when centrifugation, third step is centrifugation. So in centrifugation, what happened? So the bacterial colonies, whatever the bacteria there, they go with the centrifugation. Then in centrifugation, protein particles and protein particles of bacterial DNA gets separated. When centrifugation step, then daughter colonies, when centrifugation done, here downside precipitation. This is upper is supernated. This is also precipitation. Upper is supernated. After centrifugation, here precipitation not having radioactive. Precipitation is not having radioactive. But supernated having radioactive. But here precipitation having radioactive. Precipitation radioactive. But supernatant no radioactive. So carefully observe that, no radioactive. So means of that, what's up? By centrifugation, viral particles and these bacterial cells are centrifuged. Then here precipitation means high molecular weight, supernatant having less molecular weight. Then after centrifugation नीचे daughter colonies of bacteria, ऊपर virus particles. So virus particles mean protein capsid. Virus protein capsids are supernated in this case, but viral bacterial cells are not having supernated. Keep that one. Here also centrifugation. Here supernated means a viral protein capsids. Here bacterial daughter colonies having radioactive. So bacterial colonies are radioactive, but protein capsids are not radioactive. Here protein capsids are radioactive, but bacterial colonies are not radioactive. From this conclusion, what we say? Here protein capsids are radioactive. Protein capsids are radioactive, but here protein capsids are not radioactive. But here DNA is not radioactive, but here DNA is radioactive. From these experiments, after then formation of attachment, after then insertion, after then they produce a daughter colonies. The daughter bacterial colonies DNA is radioactive. This is nothing but precipitation. Daughter bacterial colonies DNA is radioactive. Kaiku, the genetic material which is a transfer from bacteriophage to bacteria, that is radioactive. This genetic material, viral genetic material is radioactive. That's why daughter colonies of bacteria having also radioactive. Kaiku, a virus material is radioactive. That virus material is inserted into bacteria. That material only incorporated into bacterial DNA. That's why when producing daughter colonies of bacteria, daughter colonies having also radioactive. So from this experiment, what we confirmed that the material which is transferred from virus to bacteria is a DNA. So virus to transfer is a DNA only. So that's why virus to bacteria which is a transfer, DNA only transfer. So DNA only radioactive. That's why when producing daughter colonies also radioactive. So that's why from this conclusion, from this experiment, what we confirmed that DNA only genetic material. Kaiku, it is transferred from bacteriophage to bacteria. I mean virus to bacteria. So virus genetic material radioactive. That's why when incorporated into bacterial DNA, then bacteria producing daughter colonies, that bacterial DNA also radioactive. So that's why DNA only genetic material, because it is transferred from virus to bacteria. But here you check it here. Here sulfur is a present radioactive. Protein coat is radioactive. Protein coat is not transferred into bacterial cells. That's why supernatant is radioactive, but DNA is not radioactive. Supernatant radioactive means then protein capsids only radioactive. Kaiku, virus protein capsid, virus particles, virus protein is radioactive. That's why protein radioactive. But daughter DNA colonies are not radioactive. Why daughter DNAs are not radioactive? Here DNA is not radioactive. DNA transferred to bacteria, then incorporated into bacteria, then produce daughter colonies. But daughter colonies bacterial DNA, daughter colonies of bacteria is not radioactive. Kaiku, this is not radioactive. Who is the radioactive? Protein coat only radioactive. So that protein coat radioactive in supernatant, but not in precipitation. Not in precipitation means not bacterial cells having radioactive. From this also, protein coat only radioactive, but DNA is not radioactive. So protein coat outside, so the outside supernatant. So but DNA not radioactive, DNA transferred. So from these two conclusions, which one is a transfer from virus to bacteria means virus to bacteria, genetic material only transfer from virus to bacteria. So after the experiment, the bacterial daughter colony is also radioactive. The daughter bacterial colony is also radioactive. Kaiku, daughter bacterial colony is radioactive. Kaiku, a virus genetic material is radioactive, that is inserted into bacteria, then incorporated into bacteria. So these bacteria produce daughter colonies. So daughter colony is also radioactive. From this conclusion, then DNA only transfer from bacteriophage to virus. DNA only transfer from bacteriophage to virus. So DNA is the genetic material. That is nothing but confirmation. But here also DNA only transfer, but DNA not radioactive. So that's why daughter DNA colonies are not radioactive here. So why supernatant radioactive? Protein coat is supernatant, that is radioactive outside. Here protein coat is not not radioactive, that's why no radioactivity. So this is nothing but Hershey and Chase experiment. DNA is the genetic material. I am going to revise. Carefully listen and experiment. So first onwards I am going. Hershey and Chase confirmed that DNA is a genetic material. Hershey and Chase proved that DNA is a genetic material. This experiment is also called a transduction experiment and also called blending experiment. Transduction means the transfer of genetic material from bacteriophage to bacteria is called a transduction. Then before going to the experiment, these two scientists were using two types of organism for his research work, for their research works, that is bacteriophage and Escherichia coli in 1952 year experiment. Then bacteriophage means the virus which infect the bacteria is called a bacteriophage. Then before going to the experiment, some information. Generally, bacteriophage means virus particles which infect the bacteria is called a bacteriophage. After infection, virus inserted the genetic material into bacteria. Then viral genetic material incorporated into bacterial genetic material, that's called prophase. Then bacteria what fells? It fells its own genetic material, then produce a daughter colonies. So daughter colonies having also viral DNA. So from this concept, the material which is transferred from virus to bacteria is a DNA. So DNA is a genetic material. That is proved by Hershey and Chase from their experiment. So before going to that, then they are taking two type of isotopes, radioactive isotope culture plates. Then they allow the bacteriophages to grow. Some viruses grown in a sulfur 35 culture plate, some viruses grown in a phosphorus 32 culture plate. The viruses which are grown in sulfur 35 culture plate, that is incorporated into virus protein coat. Kaiku sulfur is nothing but present in amino acids. Amino acids are helpful for the protein. So that's why protein coat is become radioactive, which are grown in sulfur 35 culturing medium. And DNA is not radioactive. Sulfur is not present in DNA. Next, some other virus which are grown in phosphorus 32 culturing medium, उसमें DNA become radioactive. Protein coat is not radioactive. DNA having phosphorus is present. So that's why DNA is a radioactive in other. So finally we have two types of virus, radioactive virus, which having one is a protein coat with a sulfur 35, another one is a phosphorus 32 DNA labeled bacteriophage. So these two bacteriophages, sulfur 35 protein coat bacteriophage and phosphorus 32 radioactive DNA bacteriophage, they allow to attach the bacterial cells. That is now experiment. So in this experiment, it includes three types of three important steps: infection, blending, centrifugation. Infection means which are having the radioactive isotopes of bacteriophage, sulfur 35 protein coat radioactive isotope bacteriophage and phosphorus 32 radioactive DNA bacteriophage attached to the cell walls of bacteria. This process is called infection. In infection only, the viral genetic material inserted into bacteria. Here also inserted into bacteria. At this phase, then in this phase, viral genetic material incorporated into bacterial. That is nothing but prophase. After then, second step, blending. Blending means the virus particles which are present in surface of the bacteria is separated by blending blending process. That's called blending. After blending, then go for the centrifugation. So viral particles, then bacterial colonies gets separated by the technique is centrifugation. In centrifugation, downside is a precipitation is a daughter colonies. Upper supernatant is formed. That supernatant is nothing but virus particles. Virus particles means protein coat. Here also centrifugation. Downside bacterial colonies. Then upper supernatant having nothing but protein capsid. So from this experiment, supernatant is a radioactive because protein coat only radioactive. That's why supernatant having radioactive, protein coat only radioactive. But DNA is not radioactive. It is transferred into bacteria, but However it is transferred, because of it's not radioactive, a daughter colony is also not radioactive. From this experiment, daughter colony is having radioactive precipitation, but supernatant is no radioactive. Kaiko protein coat is not radioactive here, but daughter DNA colonies are radioactive. Daughter DNA colonies are how radioactive? A DNA which are present in bacteriophages of phosphorus 32 is radioactive. The DNA only transferred here. The DNA only incorporated. The DNA when incorporated produce daughter colonies. So daughter colonies having radioactive DNA because the viral genetic material which is a transferring to bacteria, that viral genetic material is a radioactive. So from this conclusion, we can say we confirmed that the material which is transferred from virus to bacteria is DNA. So DNA is the genetic material. That's proved by Hershey and Chase in 1952.